Good morning to all. I am Dr. L.D. Patel, Professor, Parallel Institute of Pharmacy, Baroda, Gujarat. I am going to present the assignment for week 4 on our course Communication Skills and Personality Development by Government Polytechnic Hingoli. Government Polytechnic Hingoli organized a 4-week online FDP course on communication skills and personality development. The project coordinators are Tanurkar sir and Pathan sir. The inauguration program was on 27th July. The welcome message and short summary event was presented by course coordinator respected Khan sir. Inauguration talk was given by Dr. Suresh sir. Virtual tour of the Polytechnic College was arranged and announcement and instructions to participants were explained well. The theme of the week 1 was communication. It was introduced by Dr. Takrar sir. We learned the basics communication skills, 7C of the communication obstacles and barriers, email writing and letter writing. There were 8 videos and 5 quiz tests. The assignment of the week 1 was on letter writing to the principal or permission for the students participating at national level technical events. The learning outcomes were building the basic and quality business communication skill, identifying and reducing the obstacles and barriers in communications, building email and quality letter writing skills. There was discussion forum and feedback was given. There was no need to add the content, was good. The theme of the second week was non-verbal communications. It was introduced by respected Sabir sir and Jigar sir. We learned non-verbal communications, importance of NVC in teaching, body language, presentation skills, report writing, memo writing, writing of minutes of meeting, and common error in writing letters and etc. in English. We learned the things by 10 videos and we appeared for 8 tests. There were discussion forum and assignment also. The assignment in week 2 part 2 was on report writing on national level technical events. We learned building NVC skills while communicating, implementing in teaching, building body language with NVC skills and presentation skills in teaching, writing effective reports on program, memo writing, minutes writing and rectifying common error in writing. Feedback was very good, no need to add the things, content was very good. The theme of the week 3 was motivation and behavior styles. We learned from respected Madhavi ma'am and Sindhe ma'am using 10 videos on self-motivation, soft skills on leadership, goal setting and decision making, soft skills on etiquette, manners and values, mind power techniques, EQ, IQ, team building, stress management, part 1 and part 2. We appeared for 8 quiz tests and there was discussion forum for 10 practices which motivated us. There was discussion forum on stating one skill on each point which we implement in our day-to-day life. There was assignment on 2 activities, either or, A on use of mind power and B on case study of youth in pandemic situations. The learning outcome of the week 3 were building own self-motivational skills and qualities like leadership, goal setting and decision making, developing soft skills on etiquettes, manners, ethics and values, developing own mind power technique, identifying and improving emotional quotients, building the team and executive task and teamwork, managing stress in various situations, improving own stress management skills, and there was feedback for week 3 content was very satisfactory. The theme of the week 4 was personality development and public speaking. We learned using 11 videos from Dr. Ganatra sir and Ms. Firoza Mirza ma'am on developing impactful personality as a teacher, personality at our workplace, interpersonal relationship, lifelong learning, stage rules, stage courage, and anchoring rules. We appeared for 7 quiz tests, and there was discussion forum on one of our quality which make we feel different from others. There was discussion forum on the role of anchor or public speaker for an event. The learning outcomes of the week 4 were developing own personality and improving teaching skills, building and improving our own personality at workplace, interpersonal relationship, building the skills at lifelong learning, building the quality of public speaking, building and improving stage handling qualities, building anchoring skills and script writing. There is one assignment for week 1 to prepare a video and present you, and this is that one. The overall learning output of the 4-week program, I hope that it is achieved about more than 90%. We learned improved basic and business communication skill. We developed leadership and work in team abilities. We developed personality and building stress management capabilities. We improved in EQ and IQ abilities. We built mindset for becoming a lifelong learner. Overall feedback very good. Content was very nice for the 4 weeks. It was excellent novel learning experience to me, and I enjoyed it being as a teacher at my age of 68 years, and I hope same from you all participants. We are very much thankful to the Government Polytechnic Hingoli. They are working very hard for teachers at large, and they proved it by organizing this FTP successfully. Our heartiest congratulations and thanks to all office bearers of the college, and especially to the 2 coordinators as a backbone of this FDP. Thank you all. Many thanks to the all member of the Government Polytechnic Hingoli. Thanks you all once again. Stay safe and secure. My best wishes to all of you for innovative achievements further. Happy learning and good learning.